if you learn just one thing from today's video, I want you to stop sharing the how in your content, because this is costing your company money. Hi, my name is Natanya, and I am a social media business coach and founder of Sociale Media Creators. I help ambitious social media managers zone in on their superpowers, build demand for their services without following those icky sales strategies, and actually put systems in place to help you scale your business. If you are watching this video, I get it. You are ambitious and you are a social media manager, whether you are just starting out or whether you have already started working with a couple of clients. I want you to remember that your content is not there to teach the how. One of the biggest mistakes I've seen so many social media managers do today is actually almost like holding your hands and taking you step by step of each process within the business of how to do your hashtag research, how to do content research, what strategies you need for social media. And yes, we do want people to see that we are the expert, but did you actually know that this is hurting your business? And do you know how it's hurting your business? If your content is there, taking the client from A to Z, every single step through the process, they will be able to DIY the entire strategy themselves. At the end of the day, you want your content to, yes, obviously give them a short, quick win, and you want your content to identify the gap so that they realize why they need a social media manager, why you are the social media manager for them, and how working with you could actually benefit their own business and give them the opportunity or the time back to actually focus on the more relevant money-making activities within their own business. The best content to share on your social media platforms is the type of content that talks towards your ideal clients' pain points. And you want to obviously tell them what it would look like if they went from having their pain points to having the dream social media presence that they wanted, and what the gap is. And obviously your services should be filling those gaps for them. I want you to comment below whether your content is helping your clients identify the gap and seeing that they need to work with you, or whether your content is sending your clients directly to the DIY board and them actually doing all the work themselves instead of seeing that they need you. And on that note, Sociale Media Academy is back. Yes, I am launching the second round on the 2nd of September 2021. This is a social media business group coaching program that was especially designed for social media managers just like you in mind. During our 12 weeks together, you will be zoning in on your superpowers, building demand for your services without following those icky sales strategies, and putting systems in place to help you scale your business. As I mentioned, we are kicking off on the 2nd of September, and I do have a little $200 off of the investment if you invest in the program before the 7th of August. If you want more information about what the details is for the program, what the costs are, how you can join, shoot me a DM or even just comment below, and I will reach out to you and give you all the information you need to make sure that you are scaling your business to a successful agency.